inquiry committee headed by Justice retired BP Katakey, which was appointed to recommend to the state government the measures on coal-related issues on Friday, informed that so far 6 lakh metric ton was being auctioned by CIL, and the process is on to expedite the auction so that by May another 12 lakh metric ton can be put to sale. Informing this, he said that he had taken stock of the quantity of the coal transported to the designated depot. He said that as per the time schedule given by the High Court, by the end of May, the government requires to sell 12 lakh metric ton of coal, and so far 6 lakh metric ton of coal has been put to auction by CIL.
I can speak to the commanders of those units that these are the area, and if they have any, as per the time schedule given to the High Court, they by end of May they are required to sell. The government required to sell 12 lakh metric ton of coal, and so far more than 6 lakh metric ton of coal has been put to auction by CIL in terms of the Supreme Court order. So they are behind schedule maybe by 30 days so far, and I'm trying to get it expedited so that by end of May 12 lakh metric ton of coal could be put to sale.